Rome was not built in a day, says a popular quote. Similarly, businesses are not built overnight. With a dream to make a mark and guts to go against the norms, two engineering grads from Regional Engineering College, Warangal, now National Institute of Technology, NIT, one of the prestigious engineering colleges of the country, Mr. Ram Mohan Rao and Mr. Vijay Kumar set out on the path of establishing Select Engineering and Systems. Being the employees of Messrs. Blue Star Limited, which is India's largest air conditioning company, they grabbed the opportunity of being the channel partner to the same company when Blue Star decided to open the packaged AC business to dealers. As the quote says, in business, being at the right place at the right time is all that matters. Ram Mohan Rao and Vijay Kumar laid the foundation of a business empire that soon became the house for many diverse businesses.
My heartiest congratulations to Vijay sir and Ram Mohan sir for celebrating 20 glorious years of success. We are very proud of your achievements and proud to be a part of this journey.
Select, that started in a small 1500 square feet space and with an investment of 2 lakhs, with its commitment and dedication, has now moved into a 10,500 square feet fully equipped space with 210 crores group turnover and with an employee strength of 750 strong people.
I'm happy to be a part of this successful organization.
They are available 24 hours. Whenever we have any obstacle, we can contact them at any time.
In addition, the group has expanded multifold and spread its wings horizontally and vertically as well, with names like Siemens and Polycom adding to the client list. Select Engineering and Systems branched out into automobile sector with partnerships of Tata Motors, Hyundai Motors, Bajaj and infrastructure as well.
The engineer or the person whoever works here at least for 2 to 3 years, I am sure they are capable of working anywhere in this HVAC industry.
I congratulate each and everyone on this 20th anniversary.
Select is all about teamwork, dedicated workers and a friendly work environment.
It is an amazing place to work here.
With excellence as their motto, despite being branched into diverse fields, Select manages to achieve success and growth in each field. Select is a perfect example for the fact that money follows excellence. From its inception till date, they have adopted new business models, technologies, but have always kept their principles intact. 1. Pay salaries on time. A satisfied employee is an investment for the organization, and an employee is satisfied when he or she gets the pay on time.
We have made a decision at the starting of the business not to deviate the salary day. And all these years, we never deviated, to say that we are proud and happy. At times we are borrowed on interest, but never failed to honor the salary day.
2. No client credits. A long trusted bond can be lost with a financial glitch.
Here in Select, we all never work under pressure. We work always with pleasure and happiness.
That Select Engineering provides some select moments to all its employees.
Best wishes to all Select family.
The work environment of this company is very good and it gave good opportunity to showcase my talent.
Congratulations to Select Engineering and Systems.
My best wishes to all Select families.
Select, where we can grow with a colorful life. All the best, Select.
Over the years, there have been moments of stress and fear of failure, but never has been a day where their commitment to excel shook. Time passed, and Select has been humble that great associations and achievements, like within 3 years of starting, Select became All India's #1 channel partner to Messrs Blue Star Limited and won awards from Siemens as well. However, with due respect to the achievements, Select considers its long, trustworthy relations with clients and employees is their biggest achievement. It takes pride in saying that in these 20 years, there has never been a dissatisfied customer and unrecognized employee.
Select is giving valuable services to our customer.
I wish this organization should flourish further in the coming years.
Congrats, Select family.
Many congratulations to our management.
Congrats, Select family.
Select, where we get good life.
Select respects their clients the most as they are the sources of income and value their employees as they are the reasons of growth. At Select, teamwork is given utmost priority, but at the same time, strictly delegation is followed too.
I wish all the best to our company.
I wish Select all the success and my best wishes.
Congrats.
One can look forward to make their career.
నా పిల్లలకు స్టడీస్ సరిపడగా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు.
The team is open to pour in ideas, but at the same are allocated with designated departments to achieve perfection in all departments. There is a perfect alignment of personal and organizational goals leading to a win-win situation for both the company and the employees.
Being both of us are from business background family, we are always passionate to become entrepreneurs. We thank Blue Star for making our dream to come true.
Today, crossing 20 years milestone is one of the happiest and important day in our life. This has become possible only with the hard work, commitment and sincerity put in by all our Select team.
We thank each and every family member of Select to make this journey successful.
Going back to the starting days, we have passed through many hardships which have become memories today.
There was a day when we have purchased furniture for our office. We ourselves lifted and carried to the second floor in the office. That was very sweet memory when we think about that now.
Ram, being the bachelor at that time, stayed in the same office apartment premises to control the overheads and to be available for the business all the 24 hours, 365 days.
There were no cell phones at that time. It was very difficult to get a landline connection from BSNL, which is very important for business. I still remember Vijay had got hold of an MP and visited his house several times and finally got one line sanction. We pray and wish God to give us more strength to make this company successful for many years to come. Thank you.
As Select completes 20 years, it also marks this moment for continued commitment and dedication for the years to come. Let's do it!